The Rosewill RSV-AI01 Server Chassis is expertly designed to accommodate up to 4 GPUs, making it ideal for tackling demanding artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. It features 8 hot-swappable SATA and SAS drives with a high transfer rate of 12 gigabits per second, ensuring efficient data management and reliable storage capabilities. The chassis is equipped with 3 large hot swap fans and additional rear fans that provide excellent cooling, ensuring stable operation even under heavy workloads. With a pre-installed rail kit, this server chassis is ready for easy installation in standard 19-inch server racks, making it a perfect choice for data centers and enterprise setups. The Rosewill RSV-AI01 offers versatile connectivity, including USB 3.0 and the advanced USB 3.2 Type-C ports, ensuring fast data transfers and wide compatibility with peripherals. Overall, this server chassis is a robust and versatile solution, offering high performance and scalability for advanced computational needs.